good. Hi guys, it's all about holiday cheer on What You're Drinking. Today's lesson features a Bayleaf's Christmas cocoa tea featuring Bayleaf's Irish cream and Ciroc Vodka. So let's get stirring. So Raakesh, we're rounding up our holiday season of drinks.
Right.
It's been a good one. So of course, we have to do the best for last.
Well, you save the best for last.
Yes.
So we're going to do what is called an after-dinner cocktail. And we're going to make a spin off a traditional Irish coffee. But rather than using Irish whiskey, we're going to focus on vodka.
Okay.
All right, but to complement that vodka, we're going to use an Irish cream, in this case, Bayleaf's Irish cream.
Yum. I'm thinking dessert, so it's decadent, it's smooth. I'm excited. Let's go.
But Kez, when you hear traditional Christmas in Trinidad, what comes to mind almost immediately?
I'm not Santa, honestly. What comes to mind for you?
For me, I grew up in the countryside, so definitely traditional cocoa tea.
Cocoa tea from the cocoa bean itself, the whole shebang.
The whole shebang.
I love that. And you know, we have quality chocolate produced here.
Now, everyone has a recipe for cocoa tea, a traditional cocoa tea. But once it's grated, it's boiled, sweetened to taste with spices. Spices I use definitely be cinnamon, some bay leaf. We're good to go.
So good to go.
If you want to add cream to the cocoa tea,
it's
not a problem.
I mean, that's your choice.
But we'll be using Irish cream today.
The
So
best.
we can leave the cream out of the cocoa tea for now.
Okay.
All right. So this cocktail is fairly easy to prepare.
Okay.
And we are trying to make it as simple as possible. Now I know with the traditional Irish coffee, we whipped our cream, etc., etc. But we're going to use, from the tin. So we're going to make it very
pickings.
easy.
Easy pickings.
So let's start off with some vodka.
Okay,
All right.
sure.
So we're going to start off with 1 ounce of vodka.
Thank you very much.
All right.
And of course, we are using some good Ciroc vodka. And it's just the one.
Just one.
Okay.
I mean, it's after dinner. It could be like considered a nightcap cocktail as well, but it's this going to be a tall one, obviously.
All right, sure.
All right.
Thank you.
So that's our vodka there.
Thank you very much.
And now we're going to focus on the star of the show, the Irish cream. All right. So we're going to put 1.5 ounces.
All right, so 1.5
1.5.
of this good Bayleaf's Irish cream. Let's start with the one, because that'll be the easiest for me.
Easiest.
One, roll in.
And half.
What, the bigger half or the smaller half?
It's up to you. It's entirely up to you.
How's that?
That's perfect.
Perfect. Right in. There we are.
And now you will now use at least 4 ounces of your piping hot cocoa tea.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. And guys, we actually have a great cocoa tea recipe coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. So we're going in here.
Right. So that's 2 ounces. So you're going to do 2 of those.
Ooh, I don't want to burn my fingers.
All right.
This is hot.
All right.
There we go.
Let's roll, yeah.
All right.
What you can do, you could just hold this right under the jigger so you
Sure.
won't get burned there. Right, perfect.
It's just,
It's very hot.
I'm trying to manage the piping hot
It's
tea.
very hot.
I love that smell of cocoa tea. So nice.
Very good. And now we're
There
going
we
to do a gentle stir.
Sure.
All right, so we're going to marry that vodka and that
Sure.
Irish cream with our traditional cocoa tea.
Good there? Still stirring, stirring,
Perfect.
stirring.
Perfect. That's it right there.
Thank
and
you.
now you're going to apply your whipped cream.
Ah. So we have our Irish cream and now we have a little whipped cream.
A little whipped cream.
Got it.
All right. Not the elbow grease whipped cream, all right? Just from the tin, okay?
Hold on, let me go with my proper hand. Your girl is a lefty, so I want to do it with my comfortable hand.
All right, around.
Again, a
And
little
just
messy
focus
here.
in the middle now.
Oh yeah.
All right.
That's cool.
perfect. Perfect. And just like our cocoa tea, we're going to go with
Yes.
fresh spices.
Okay.
So we're going to grate some nutmeg first.
Ah, okay.
All right. So grate all over.
Okay.
Lightly dusted. Yes.
Come on, nutmeg. Yes.
Perfect.
That's enough?
A little thing here again.
A little more. Nutmeg
Right.
smells so good. So
And now we're going to do the same thing with some fresh cinnamon.
good. So this is fresh.
Fresh.
Freshly grated cinnamon, guys. Let me go with the other even part.
Other even part. That smells so good.
So nice. This is the smell of the holiday season. The cinnamon giving me a little trouble, boy. Oh gosh. I feel like we're good there. You think we're good?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Perfect, Kizzy.
All right.
And because we're in Trinidad, we have to crown it with a bay leaf.
I mean, come on. My granny would appreciate this.
That's
So am I
right.
going this way or the other way? Does it matter?
Either matter.
Right here?
Right here.
That
Perfect.
is so cute. Look
Perfect
at
recipe.
that. This is the best cocktail to end off all of our lovely holiday cocktails. The best for the end of that Christmas day, the end of the holiday season.
End of the
anytime.
holidays. And the good thing about it, all 4 cocktails,
Yeah.
they're very cost effective, very easy to prepare. I think we made them
Simple.
under, what, 3-4 minutes?
Yeah, it
in
was
general?
easy pickings, but we must taste.
Well, that's where you come in.
Good.
Don't worry, that's how we do it at home.
Guys, I really, 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 really love this so much. And I'm trying to play it cool, but this was excellent. So you could tell by my face, so good. That cocoa tea tradition feels like family with a little kick from our Baileys and our Ciroc.
And you know, our cocoa now is starring all over the world.
I mean, come on. So you could start at home with this amazing cocktail. And of course, you could pick up both of these great spirits at Naughty Grape. Be sure to try this cocktail, guys. Tell us in the comments below when you tried. We want to hear from you. We love you so much. We're wishing you all the best for this new year. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.
Happy holidays.